the easiest way to create amazing and good animated background in DaVinci Resolve. First thing, let's create the no fusion composition. Drag the clip. Okay, I will close this media pool. From here you can resize it if you wanna add more length. Okay, now let's go to the fusion. Alright, we have media out. Drag the background. This is the background. Connect background to media out. Alright, now select this one and hit on fast noise, or just drag it here, then connect it like this. Alright, now it's connected. This is the first step. Okay, let's go to the color. Now select gradient. Here we have two gradient color. Let's select this one. Okay, let's select this color. I think red is good. It's good already. Let's select the other one. Click on this small dot. Now let's change this color like this. This yellow. Yellow is good. Okay, black, pink. Okay, select any color you think is good. I will select yellow. Alright, you can add another color if you want. Press in the center like this and then change the color. You see, you can select different colors, even 3 colors or more. Now, this looks interesting, huh? Okay, let's add this color. Go back to the noise. From here you can change the detail of the noise. I will keep it as it is because it was good already. From here you increase the contrast like this. Let me add a little bit more, increase it like this. I think this is enough. Alright, from here you get the brightness. If it's dark like this, you find it dark, you can increase the brightness like this. Okay, now it will not be animated. I have to add this one. I have to increase the seed. Oh, before this you got scale. The scale, you can change the size of the noise like this. Okay, I think this one, I will keep it as default. It's good as well. Alright, now it will not be animated. You have to increase this one, the seed rate. If you added a lot seed rate, if you increased it to the maximum, it will be too fast. I will play, you see, it's too fast. Now, like this, still fast. Alright, play the video, then change this one, this value, until you find the right speed. Okay, now it's very slow. Alright, I will add a little bit more. Now it's fine, I think it's good. Now let's go back to the edit page. Let's play this background. This is how it looks like. It was just a random color actually. I didn't think of anything, but I think it's good. You can select a different color. Let's go back to the fusion. You can add a grade if you want. I will press Ctrl space grade. Okay, this is the grade. Let's connect this, shift, drag it. Okay, it's connected. I think I will make it this boxes. I will make it a little bit bigger in the size. Alright, like this. I think it's fine. I will delete this thick line. And here I will just decrease the opacity. Alright, let's go back to the control. From here you can select the color of the grid in yellow, blue, red, black. It's all good, depends on the background. I will select yellow. Okay, so this is the background. Also you can add some waviness to this grid. I will add waviness. This is waviness. Alright, I will add another waviness, I think. Okay, so waviness. Okay, I will drag, disconnect this. I will drag this, shift, connect. Alright, from here you change vertical, horizontal. Alright, from here you change the speed, you see. Now I will add this one, connect this waviness as well, and let's decrease the speed. Alright, now it moves in different directions. Alright, let's change this, the length. Okay, so let's play this. So it's good actually. I think this is good background. You can change the color if you want. You can go here to the fast noise, then you can change these colors. This one here in the center, I selected black. You can select another color if you want. And here I have selected red. Let's select blue, I think is fine. In here, this one is yellow. Let's select another different color. Let's make it more unique. Okay, So this is how you can create good backgrounds. It's so easy. Just in the beginning you add this one. Let's go back to the timeline. Okay, here in the beginning I have added this file composition. I have created file composition. Drag to the timeline. From here you can change the length. After that, go to the Fusion. You will find just media one, add background, then add this one, add fast noise. After fast noise, you select gradient, you select colors. Then if you want, you can add grade. After grade, to add some movement to the grade, you add this node, control, space, waviness. Okay, you add 2 and then change the value until you get something like this or different. Depends on how you want it to move. And then don't forget to connect it to the media out. Let's play it. Alright, you see it's good actually, it's unique. So this is how you can create this type of background. It's so easy. And that's it.